Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, my dear brothers and sisters in Islam. So today we're gonna do something exciting. Inshallah, we're gonna go shooting. We're gonna go in the shooting range here in Qatar. Inshallah.
Like a soldier, I don't need to bust my gun to be a soldier.
So now we are not even in the street. We are trying to find that place, and it seems that it's really hard. We crossed a bridge that was closed, and now we are off-road. This is how much we want to go shooting. So inshallah we're gonna find it. Oh, this looks like a road. Inshallah we're gonna find a place. So now we made it. We found the road. Alhamdulillah. How many minutes?
8 minutes, 7 minutes.
7 minutes to the shooting range. So we're gonna see this, inshallah.
Like a soldier, I don't need to bust my gun to be a soldier.
Okay, so we found a place, alhamdulillah. It cost 100 riyals for a box of 25 bullet. I don't know which kind of bullet it is, and I don't know which kind of shotgun it is. Yeah, so they did not ask our age, no ID, nothing. We pay 100 riyals and we're gonna go get our shotgun and the bullet, inshallah.
Like a soldier, I don't need to bust my gun to be a soldier. So they can say what they want, I'm a soldier.
So now we have the bullets and we have the gun. Mashallah, he did not explain us nothing. Like, just give us the bullet and nothing else. He did not say we have to do this or we have to do this, nothing. So I don't know how it works. We have to wait until this can be really dangerous. No explanations.
Yeah. Put them on me there.
So are we? Is it one shot for everyone?
Anyone can shoot. You can shoot whenever you want, Ishaq.
Okay.
How was that?
Good.
Yeah?
Yeah, but I didn't get it. But yeah,
Feels like
it's
it was
fun.
shaky. Was it strong?
No, it's not strong.
It's okay, it's
yeah,
okay.
it's okay. Okay, do another time and
Yeah,
you
yeah,
do
okay.
it.
Go.
Inshallah. So that's it, easy. Put it there.
Wait. Please. Open. One by one, okay? One by one.
Ah, one by one. Okay. So now
Oh,
you
blow up
explain.
the
You have to do every time.
Load up the shotgun.
Okay, so I'm just gonna check from where it comes from. Okay, there. Okay. And when it falls on the floor, it just breaks. I don't know it's done with what. Okay. Oh, you see, it makes like that.
You have bullet? Huh? Yeah.
Actually, it was super fun, alhamdulillah. Yeah, I don't know why guys like shooting, but it's not only guys, there was women there too as well. So, you know, we can hear, you can see there's some chairs so people can sit down, chill, and watch the other one like shooting from far, but it's better to be on there, you know. So this is Qatar shooting range. It was super fun. So, and really hard to get there. And inshallah, for sure, I'm gonna come back, inshallah. I suggest you to come try it. It's like, they don't ask nothing. You just come and you pay, get bullet, gun, and shoot. Alhamdulillah. So please, you know, always share, comment, subscribe to the channel, man. just subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel, like, share, comment. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Like a soldier, I'ma stand up and pray for my Lord. Like